Hello people, you're welcome to our 5th tutorial activity of the course. And this one, as previous ones, you already know, is geared towards empowering you, preparing you for further tasks in our Globalization and a Critical Perspective course. And as it is no surprise, we are holding this 5th tutorial activity just before the beginning of the midterm exams. Therefore, for the day, my expectation is that you can perform in a similar environment to the ones you are undergoing in March 3 with our midterm. Okay, so it will be a written assessment of a single question that you'll be handed just after I stop speaking in this transmission. Across this month of February, we explore a number of issues in the second chapter of our course, Problematizing Globalization. So far, we spoke about the contributions of Arjuna Padurai and Zygmunt Bauman. So those contributions will inform your answer to the question you are getting in a few seconds. It is meant to be a written answer to the single question to be handed to our TA, Mr. Ariman, at the end of the tutorial. It is not meant to be a group activity, and it is not meant to be an online activity, so you should be able to perform in this setting very similar to the one you were having on the midterms. Okay, in 45 minutes is more than enough time to answer a single question. Therefore, I wish you all good luck, wishing to see you again after I return from the event. Okay, see you.